So my name is Stephanie, and this is Wolfgang, and we're in, where in Germany?
We're in Chieming, Germany.
Chieming, Germany. And Wolfgang is about to pack up our equipment and ship it to Nashville. So he's going to show me our equipment before they put it on the boat.
Yes, so we will go through it really quick and explain to you what equipment we have and how it's going to be positioned in Nashville. Pretty much we're facing the brew house, showing the mash kettle, the lauter tun, the wort kettle, and later the whirlpool. But let's start here in Nashville at your location. The milling room will be to the left of the system.
Right.
Yeah? So the grist is all, or the malt is all milled over here. Malt comes from the silo, is conveyed into the mill in a grist bin, and then we will have a grist inlet on the rear of the kettle. Grist will be arded in, and it will fall into the mash kettle. You have see the agitator on the bottom. That's a specially designed agitator for mashes. It's off-centered. We have very good results with it in heavy malt mashes, which you people in the US do a lot. So the mashing can either be done here solely, or it can be split, like a part of the mash can remain in the mash kettle and a part is pumped over to the mash lauter tun, and then you could actually do a decoction mash, which means you boil part of the mash to break open the starch physically, and then you boil the starch that you build in here, you pump over to the lauter tun, and in the lauter tun, the conversion will be done to convert the starch into sugar. So mash tun, lauter tun, and we have not, the rakes are missing. They're still over at the other shop, as you've just seen in the other building. So the rakes will have to be assembled inside. We have the false bottom already in place. So that means all the lautering is done here, and then we collect the wort over in the wort kettle.
Is the wort kettle what we have, the brew kettle?
Yes, you would have a brew kettle, and this is what we call a wort or brew kettle. Right. It's a dedicated vessel for wort boiling only. We are using our external X-boil system. It allows you, pumping wort in on the top through a wort spreading head to evaporate the volatiles out, but we also have the possibility to take the wort within the liquid level, so to cut down on the energy demand to the boil.
And what are these two?
Those two are the hop dosing vessels. So that means you have a fully automated system. That means nobody really has to be there when the brew is being done. So that means your brewer will add the hops into those two hop addition vessels, and at time of the hopping, the automation will call wort to go through the vessels, flush the hops out, bring them back to the wort kettle. And then you can refill them for the next brew. Yeah? So you can switch it off. Yeah. Heavy.
Okay. Ah.
You have that little insert, so that is needed so the hops don't clog up and look like one big cluster, one big chunk, and clog the vessel outlet.
That's going to be my job.
That's your job, refilling them. So after we've boiled the wort, we'll take it over to the whirlpool, dedicated whirlpool. The whirlpool separates the hop tube, which is like the protein that is coagulated during the wort boil from malt and hops. It looks like almost like a cake. We call it the tube cake in the middle, and the wort is being collected from the wort pump and then passed through the heat exchanger. The single stage heat exchanger, we prepare ice water, so in a single pass the wort is being cooled from about 200 degrees to 38, 40 degrees, depending on the temperature.
That small little heat
exchanger, yes. And it goes out to your cellar after it's been aerated. It's going to follow you at yeast and you start the fermentation. So we have everything is pre-piped, pre-welded. So we figure that within probably 8 to 10 days, the system will be reassembled in Nashville to the same level as it is now. And some of the finishing welds, that haven't been done yet because of disassembling the system, will be done on site.
Right. So. And when is this leaving again?
It is leaving on Monday. For sure. Right, Carl? Monday.
Okay.
Next year. There are 52 Mondays in a year.
Tell us what you think about your new Rolec brewing system.
Why don't you tell us something, Kent, Chase, whatever your name is.
Chase is not here. What do you think about it?
I think it's beautiful, and it's going to work, and it's going to brew a lot of beer. I hope.
I hope.